Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel stuck? Like life's on autopilot, and even though you're safe and comfortable, something inside you is screaming for more? That's the comfort zone, your cozy but limiting bubble. Breaking out of it can seem daunting, but it's where growth happens, where you achieve the things you never thought possible. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful habits that will help you step outside your comfort zone, embrace challenges, and unlock the best version of yourself. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to start your journey towards self-growth today. 1. Start with micro-challenges. Breaking free doesn't mean diving headfirst into overwhelming changes. Start small. Introduce micro-challenges into your daily routine, like waking up 30 minutes earlier, taking a new route to work, or speaking up in a meeting. These small steps train your brain to embrace discomfort gradually, making it less scary over time. Remember, growth begins at the edge of discomfort, not in the middle of chaos. 2. Reframe fear as a sign of growth. Here's a mindset shift. Fear is not your enemy. It's your compass. When you're afraid of doing something new, it usually means you're on the edge of growth. Train yourself to see fear as excitement in disguise. Instead of avoiding what scares you, ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen? Often, you'll realize that the risk is much smaller than the reward of stepping outside your comfort zone. 3. Commit to lifelong learning. Knowledge opens doors that comfort zones keep closed. Pick up a book, take an online course, or learn a new skill. Lifelong learning pushes you into unfamiliar territory where growth thrives. Plus, every new thing you learn expands your comfort zone bit by bit. Pro tip: schedule dedicated time for learning each week. It's an investment in your future self. 4. Surround yourself with growth-oriented people. Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If you want to break free, surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Join communities, network with like-minded individuals, or even follow motivational figures online. The energy and mindset of growth-oriented people will naturally push you beyond your limits. 5. Reflect and celebrate small wins. Stepping out of your comfort zone can feel overwhelming if you don't take time to reflect on your progress. Every small win matters, whether it's speaking up, trying something new, or even failing but learning from it. Celebrate these moments as they reinforce your journey and keep you motivated for the next step. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. And there you have it, 5 transformative habits to help you break free from your comfort zone and start living a life of growth and purpose. So, which habit are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss more content like this. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who's ready to step outside their comfort zone too. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep challenging yourself, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.